So I'm going to show you a loading technique to the entire surface of your palm, from all the way through here, around the pinky side, thumb side, all the way around again, and anything in between. So what you need is a ball. You can use a smooth ball, you can use a spiky ball, which is what I prefer, or you can use a big roller. And then number two, there's different surfaces that you can use. What I'm going to demonstrate is using my hands and sandwiching the ball between my hands. You can use a floor, you can use a tabletop, you can use a wall to do this exercise. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find the spot that's sensitive. My sensitive spot I already found was right on my thumb side. I'm going to place that ball right there. The first method we can try is the seek and destroy. So I'm just going to apply pressure with the opposite hand and just push into the ball, trying to flatten it out like a piece of paper and not moving at all. So that's a seek and destroy method. Once the sensitivity kind of melts away, then you can find another sensitive area, which is moving slightly up for me, and then I'm going to apply the same pressure. I can interlace my fingers and just squeeze it together. After that, once it melts, then I can find another spot. Again, if you want to try it on the floor, for example, or on the table, I'm just going to apply weight on it. I'm going to move my hand around until I feel that sensitive spot. Boom, right there. I'm going to hold that there, and then shift a little bit more weight, allow it to desensitize and melt, so my hand just melts over that ball a little bit more, and then I can continue to do that. So the second technique I'm going to use is a pin and stretch. So I'm going to place this ball, which is a little bit different now. I'm going to place it on the floor so you can actually see the contrast of colors. I'm going to place the sensitive area directly on that ball. Once I find that spot, I'm just going to hold that there and apply a little bit more tension. From there, the stretching part is I'm going to take my thumb and pull it out. I'm going to take my index finger, pull it up. I'm going to take my middle finger, pull it up, ring finger, and so on and so forth. So I can do it one at a time, or I can flare my whole hand out, all my fingers out together as a unit while I still apply the same amount of pressure, and just hold that pressure there. The other way that I can do that is I can relax my fingers and this time shift my body over the ball. So I'm shifting this way, in front to the side, and then kind of going around trying to see where I feel more load. Wherever I feel more load, I'm going to hold that there. And once it kind of melts out and desensitizes, then I'm good to go to the next spot.